So hi guys, today I'm going to tell you guys how to basically use the auto cruise function in your car if your car has, which I think in most modern cars now it actually comes, auto cruise comes as standard, or in D segment cars it's very apparent, or in some C segment cars if you get their high specs, they usually come with auto cruise control, and a lot of people actually neglected this function although their car has, and without knowing actually how useful and it is in long journeys. Well, basically if your car comes with auto cruise, you usually find a button like this which states cruise. It may be located elsewhere, different places in the steering, but usually it's connected to the car steering itself. Some may have it here, some may have it here, at the console here, but never here, never in the center console. But for the Honda Icon 9 generation, it's actually located in the steering for easy maneuverability. So this, there will definitely be a cruise on and off button. So this will be the on and off button. This will be the button to actually manipulate the function, and this will be the cancel button. So the operation is very, very simple. All you need to do is to turn this on, and basically that light will turn on, and that indicates that the cruise control is on, but it's not activated yet. In order to activate the cruise control, you need to basically you're actually driving, and let's just say you want to cruise at 80 km/h, so you drive all the way to 80 km/h, and once you hit 80 km/h, keep your leg on the accelerator, and then you press set. And when you press set, this light, there will be a separate light that will light up, which will be shown later. I will do a practical drive. This light will light up, and when this light up, your car will basically travel at 80. This thing will stuck at 80 to indicate that the car is cruising at 80 km, and that is when your auto cruise is activated. And more of the functions on basically what you can do it while your car is cruising, I will show you later on when I'm doing a practical driving video on how it's actually being used and what auto cruise can actually offers you. And this is just an introduction on where the button is located and what does this actually do. This plus minus button actually has their own function, which I will show you later as well. So basically how you're going to set your auto cruise, it's very simple. For all auto cruise enabled car, they usually have this cruise button here. It may be located at elsewhere and around the steering columns, but the function is basically, to activate it, is basically the same throughout the car. So what you need to do is press this cruise button, it turns it on, and you should be able to see the green light cruise control there to indicate that it has been turned on. And then you need to just drive, accelerate to the speed that you require. And for this video, I'm just going to accelerate to maybe 60 because of the car traffic condition. And all you need to do is to press set here, and basically you're done, and that's all. And when you see the dashboard, you'll be able to see that cruise control is on. There will be a secondary light on there. And so as you see, basically my leg is off the accelerator right now. Not sure you can see it or not, but if you can see the meter, if you can see, it actually stays at around the region of 60. And this is very, very useful if you are traveling in a long distance highway, like if you're going to Penang or some long highways. It's very, very useful because it keeps your leg off the pedal. It makes you drive much more comfortable because you have your 2 feet rested. You do not need to constantly apply pressure on it. But always remember to keep your 1 foot on the brake, just in case of any accidents. To keep it on the brake, and anything happen, you just press it off. Alright, and how do you, and when the auto cruise, actually you can just increase speed by you can actually accelerate it by pressing an accelerator. As you can see you can actually use this to overtake people. And when you leave it off, auto cruise doesn't actually cancel off, it just stays on, and it goes back to 60, the original speed you set. And to deactivate it, it's fairly simple as well. Just press this cancel button in between, and it will turn off. And how do you regain back to your original speed? If you can see, because my speed is lowering down, you can see. And all you need to go back to normal speed is to press acceleration plus restore here, and the auto cruise will pick up again, and then you have remember, in order to disengage entire thing, pressing the brake will actually also disengage the auto cruise. As you can see, if I'm not pressing anything here, if I hit the brakes once, and it will turn it off. And then to reactivate it, accelerate, and then it will go back normal. So this is
actually a function which you don't need to. If you want to increase your current cruising speed to, let's just say, to 80, you don't need to actually reset again. All you need to do is, while the cruise control is running, all you need to do is to press this plus button, and see, I press once and you go up. Can you? So for every press, it will increase by 1 km/h. So if you keep on increasing, it will go up to a desired speed. So this actually gives you very much control about how much speed you want to increase at per time, and rather than you reset the whole thing and whatnot. And if you ever need to decrease the speed, there's a minus button here, so you just press it as many times as you want to reduce the speed. So as you can see, it's running at 80 now, and if I keep pressing it, you will notice that the speed actually reduces. I need to go to the middle lane because I'm reducing my speed. So if you can see, by pressing it without doing anything to the accelerator pedal under the footwell, you see I can actually manipulate my cruising speed, and so you see it goes down to 60.
If when you want to turn off auto cruise completely, after you disengage the function, you just need to re-press this button here, and that light will turn off, and that will completely shut off auto cruise function completely. Guys, I hope this video is information enough to let you guys know how to actually use your cruise control and use it whenever you have the chance on a highway, straight road. Never on slow speed. So okay guys, so thanks for watching.